So that's one thing that Luna has never ever experienced before in her life. She has never had a staycation. 9 years in with us, every single trip she's had to stay at home. It's usually with the family. Because we are either going overseas or even locally, we have never had a place where she could come along with us to stay. But this weekend, that changes. So we are here at Lift 1 North. It's not that far from us, maybe half an hour from our place. But for Luna, it's the first time she's going to be able to do this. It's the first time that she's going to wake up in a hotel room. It's the first time she's going to wake up in somewhere that is not her own floor, not her own bed. And the only reason we can do this now is because how something's shifted in the way Singapore treats pets very quietly, without any fuss, over the past few years. It's not just live where we are, but recently there have been more hotels that have been coming up with pet-friendly options for pet owners. So I think that is something really nice to look forward to. Hey guys, we just checked in and this is the rooftop of Lift, or actually I think it's called Life. So here's the part I think is actually the interesting bit of just the hotel itself. Since the start of 2025, a restaurant with outdoor seating does not require any additional pet cafe license just to let pet owners sit in the outdoor area with their pets. Before that, if a place wanted pets to be able to use the space, they would have to go through some sort of application to get a pet cafe license. And the requirements for that are much stricter than just operating a standard FME license. So most restaurants just didn't bother. For pet owners like us, it was a bit more difficult to find a place that allowing is one thing, but being licensed to allow us to sit there with our dog, with Luna, it was more difficult to find places like this. And so now it's flipped. With that rule being loosened up, there are a lot more options for pet owners like us to bring our cats or dogs out to restaurants where, as long as they have an outdoor seating, it's very easy for us to just pop out. Of course, assuming the restaurant themselves are okay with that. I don't think people talk about this much in the past 1.5 years since this was allowed. It's like a quiet change. Of course, the government did announce in the news. It's just one small rule getting simpler, getting loosened up, and that sort of changed the whole scene for us pet owners. Now the weekend afternoons or evening for dinners has now become possible for pet owners like us just to bring our pet out for a normal meal.
Fun fact, this is actually where we had our wedding 4 years ago, and we chose it because June and Luna could be indoors with us. That's quite rare, and they have since actually renovated to change the interior quite a bit. So this is the first time we are looking at its new interior.